Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Razorpay to WIX website. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly connect Razorpay here, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to do and you need to know here. So first things first is you want to go to your WIX admin page or your dashboard here. Now at the left side, you want to go and access settings. Now, since we want to edit or add Razorpay here, what we need to do is we want to go to the accept payment section. Now, in here, there are going to be a few things that you need to take note. Now, the thing with Razorpay here, in order for you to use it, you need to switch your business location to India, since Razorpay is only available in India, so if you want to use it. So, you want to go and click on your location at the top right here under accept payments, and just choose India here in the following countries. Now, by the way, if you're doing this, just make sure that you are currently located on that specific location or your business is actually located to that. But in this case, you should see Razorpay. Now, go and click on connect. And from here, what we need to do is you just need to provide all the necessary information. That includes your account information, your key ID, your key secret, and the site URL, which in this case you will be able to get from your account in Razorpay. Now, also, if you haven't created your account, you can go and click on create Razorpay here to create your account. But in this case, just provide all the necessary information, click on connect, and you should be able to start using Razorpay here as a payment method. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.